it's Joel. We're at the Sanjay Mortimer RepRap Festival in jolly old Oxford, England. And if I gave you 60 seconds to talk about whatever you wanted, you think you could do it? This is Smurf in 60 seconds.
Hi, my name's Jacob Lord, and I'm from Console 2D, and I've got 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Jacob?
Oh, hell no, but let's do it.
Do it.
Go! So, first thing's important, this is not a product, but this is the cool thing about Smurf and about RepRap Festival, is that we get to show off the things we never get to show off. So this is our prototype machine from the factory. All technology that goes into products gets tested on this machine here. The coolest bit about it is what's underneath. This is our soon-to-be fully open source material changer, which is hot swappable bays, individual filament drying segments,
30 seconds.
The whole shebang. Let's move on over here. This is our actual product. It's amazing. Please buy it. It looks cool. It's really fast. It's open source. It's good. Moving on. Our fix
15.
for the Voron tap plate. It fixes all the wobble issues. It's already compatible with the Hemera. It's an absolute position. And this is our future. High-speed 3D printing nozzles that multiplex filaments into one. And that is my 60 seconds.
That is time.
Hi, my name is Wekster, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, so I usually do mini dudes, and that's how people know me. I did Mini Joe. Sometimes I do articulated stuff, busts, these kind of things. And, I have cool people that are making stuff for me with electronics, especially this dude here. This guy is awesome.
30 seconds.
It's made by 30 seconds. Oh no! By my friend Peter. So it has a bunch of articulations, and it's extremely creepy. So I sculpted the
15 seconds.
head and hands, and he did everything else. And this is extremely stressful. I don't want to do this. So I have a bunch of prints made by my patrons, and they're so awesome.
1. That's time.
My name is Jake England. I'm with Millennium Machines, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
Perfect. So, we're Millennium Machines. We're an open source 3-axis mill project. As of now, this over here is our machine. This is called Milo, and the big enclosure is called Casa. So what this is an open source 3-axis mill that is completely bootstrappable, so you don't need to have any metal parts when you start it. Dimensions for the main build is 340 by 160 by 60 on the standard build, and you can up that all the way up to 120 millimeters. We work with LDO right now to produce a kit, so everything that you might see on this machine over here will be in a kit in a few months' time, hopefully. So you can find everything that we do on our GitHubs, on our Discord, all that kind of stuff. You might see these are some example of the cut quality of the bootstrappable machine. So
15.
These are just the plastic parts. Anything you can add to the machine will make the quality even better than that. All right.
Keep going.
Oh, perfect.
5.
This is great. I'm having a great time.
2 seconds.
Awesome.
1 second. That's time.
Awesome.
Hey, I'm Sam. I'm here at E3D, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Sam?
Ready?
Go.
Right, so the latest thing that we've just released yesterday is Revo Roto, which, well, this is awkward. Where are the rotos? We don't have any rotos. Right, there's one on the printer here. So it's a new lightweight extruder, 140 grams, tiny. It's got a 3D printed heatsink, which is awesome. And then other cool stuff that we have over here. These are our diamond back nozzles. So this is a couple
30 seconds
of them for the Roto. And this is our peak and diamond nozzled and diamond pucked engraved, like embezzled Death Racer, which is sick with his peak face. Then over here we also have the
15.
new Bamboo. It's actually having an upgrade at the moment to our new high flow upgrade, where it also has Obsidian, and this is the first officially
5.
accredited upgrade with Bamboo, which is awesome. We good?
That's time. You have seconds to spare. It's like you're good at this.
Oh.
Hi, my name is Allie Katz of Katz Creates, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Go.
All right, as you can see here, I do a lot of things. I am a maker, I am a designer, I am an artist and an engineer, and most of all, I am an inventor. I have things like the Dynamax ball, which is full 360 animation, and guess what? It's a functional handbag as well, and controlled by the Pokeball. The Pokeball is the remote. I also have a bunch of stuff here that is a little unusual because I do ceramics work as well. So you can see stuff like this, which is actually using 3D printing to help me create ceramics. I'm actually gonna have a video going live very soon about this whole process, so you'll have to subscribe to my YouTube channel to check it out. It's gonna be really, really cool. I hope you'll stick around and get to see all the things I make in the future.
10 seconds.
But it's been really, really fun to be at SMRRF and to get to show off all of my amazing wares. Thank you so much, Joel.
1. That's time.
Hey, I'm Andy Gleedle and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go for it.
Okay, so I've developed open source software for toolpath design and additive manufacturing. You can see loads of things here. These lampshades are all designed from the exact same Python model. You go to fullcontrol.xyz, click on the lampshade, and then it's going to bring it up, and you can come up with all these different designs, spin it around, and the whole Colab Python model for this is all there, so you can see all the beautiful maths if you want to. What else have we got? I've got things like phone holders that you can get on there, and we do loads of calibration research.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay, and this is like printing on tape. This was for a student project, so I do loads of student projects as well. And also, look at all my beautiful journal papers, lots of technical, good mechanical properties stuff. And if you want a soap dish,
15.
soap dishes. So then the software, basically you're designing in Python what you want your toolpath to do, like a 3D model for your toolpath, or you can use the Excel version. And Full Control is the future of additive manufacturing.
Time.
Hi, I'm Natalie. You might know me as 3D Print Bunny, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Go.
Oh, I am absolutely blown away by SMRRF. I have, until I came here, I had met just one other person who had a 3D printer, who ran 3D printing. And now I am absolutely surrounded by people, and I can talk to them about 3D printing for hours and hours for as long as I want to. So let me introduce you. I do strings. Strings is what I do. Strings with butterflies, strings on an Eiffel Tower, strings with a cat underneath it. But what you might not know is that I also do pigs for people with neurodiversity. These guys are great. They're pointy and prickly, and they're great in stressful situations to hold. I use supports. This is all supports to create interesting things. And I basically just love.
Oh, that's time.
I'm Adam from Vector 3D, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Go.
So over here, we have inserts and heat insert tools from CNC Kitchen. Next to that, we have Dayspring and Vector 3D LEDs. Along from that, we have Electropie and coasters and other PCB design stuff. And then we have the amazing heat set insert press. We've got the basic one, the pro one, and the concept for a fully automated heat set insert tool. And right at the end, the grand finale, the Darwin Evo 3D printer. Completely built from the ground up to replicate the Darwin from 2007. The very first RepRap 3D printer that's so important for everyone doing RepRap 3D printing. This is what started it all with Adrian Boyer and Ed Sells. We've used the very latest electronics from BigTreeTech. LDO have supported the build with helping me source all the parts that I need.
15 seconds.
E3D have the tools, the Revo, the Revo Vora, and we've got an Obsidian nozzle in there as well. All the filament is Prushman ASA in this beautiful natural color, as if it was from 2007, and that is the Darwin Evo, and I'm Adam from
That is time!
Yes!
My name is Luke Taylor from Polymaker, and I've got 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Luke?
I'm ready.
Go.
So, welcome to SMRRF. This is the Polymaker booth. We have a couple exciting things to see here. Firstly, our full rainbow of colors. We have a huge multitude of PLA, PTG, ABS, metallic on our display here. And then our showpiece model is our Christmas castle designed by Fulvio, printed by Maison Lumiere. And then we created this sort of Christmas snow globe with it, and let me just whip up some snow here. So we've got a compressor underneath, we've got a massive tubes going into trees and snow mounds, and we can do blizzard mode, or we can do a bit more of a gentle whip of the snow.
15 seconds.
And it's really a beautiful model. If you've got time to print it, it all fits on a 250mm bed. 250mm bed. Get the designs from Fulvio. It's really the best thing that you can do for Christmas this year.
It's time.
Done.
I am Luke from BigTreeTech, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready, Luke?
I am not, but let's go anyway.
Do it, go.
Okay, so Luke from BigTreeTech, and BigTreeTech is a company that started in 2015. This is the man over here that started it. His name is Eric. He was looking for a component that he couldn't find, so he decided he would make it, and well, here we are today. So what do? Motherboards is our speciality. Accessories as well, extruded toolboards, but we're diversifying quite a bit lately. And if you look over here, you'll see a new range that we have coming out, and this is the Bamboo Panda range. This is a really cool new product.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. This will control up to 10 different Bamboo printers, P1 and X1, and very possibly the A1. So great for guys who have farms and also just the P1 series and they want a fancy screen. Bunch of other accessories for Bamboo.
15.
Lovely extruder range. And we really can't forget, of course, our absolutely incredible, stunning range of ducks. This really is what we're all about. Kraken, 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 Kraken!
One. Time.
Kraken 2.
Hey, my name's Shane, aka Same Old Shane. I'm with Prusa, and I'm also one of the 1440 Makers co-founders, and I have 60 seconds.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Go!
Hi, my name's Shane. Like I said, I'm here with Prusa, and we're at the incredible debut of Sanjay Mortimer Rep Rap Festival 2023, and you wouldn't believe all the awesomeness here. I'm here with Prusa, and we have an amazing amount of machines here. We have the MMU3 with the MK4 in prototype that's out. We have our great Mark III in an enclosure. We have the Prusa Mini with input shaping right there, and we have the incredible
30
Prusa
seconds.
XL 5 toolhead going, and we're just among some of the amazing creators, inventors, makers, everything here that you could possibly want to sit there, take a design, take a concept from your mind
15.
with a little time, skill, and ability, and create something amazing. This is the place to be. Wherever you are, there's always a maker fair, there's always a Rep Rap
5.
Festival. You need to be here now.
Time. This was a massive success, and I really want to thank Diamondback Nozzles for making this episode possible. You saw a lot of really awesome people talking about things that are amazing, things they're passionate about, and they did it in 60 seconds. Obviously, I don't think I could do it, but if you think you could, maybe you'll get the chance at the next event we're at. Listen, if you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, 3D print all the things, and as always, high five.